folks. So I'm out here in Bartlett, Tennessee to pick up a 66 Mustang, I believe. It's been sitting for years and it's all taken apart. So I got the flatbed out this morning. It's a Saturday morning. So we're gonna go in here and get this thing and get it loaded up and get it back. So got to move a couple of things to get it out of here, and I'll have a story on it once we get ready to get it out. So he's moving stuff out of the way, get it dug out, and we'll get it loaded up on the wrecker. Yes, I have the wrecker out, and move back on to the other side of town, which is an hour away. Pulling the boat with his four-wheeler. You gotta do what you gotta do. But there's the car right there. There's the car right there through the fence. Been sitting. How long you say it's been sitting?
Back there, a year and a half.
Okay. But it's been sitting since the 80s.
The last time it was registered, according to Bartlett Police Department, whenever they came out and ran the event,
Yeah.
was July of 1983.
Man.
That was the last time it was registered. Now, I don't know if that's the last time it ran,
Yeah.
or if that's just the last time it had a registration.
Oh. And they ran the numbers and it came back
Clean.
Okay.
I'll give you that paperwork, too.
All right.
I'll give you that paperwork Monday.
Okay.
Let me grab the keys and I'll show you everything in the trunk.
All right. Well, here it is, 66 Mustang. He said it belonged to an older gentleman, and he got it in to fix it up for him, restore it, and I think the gentleman passed away, I think, and he just got stuck with it. So it's just been here in his backyard, and everything is in it. The seats, drive shaft, I think it's got a 289 in it, is what he said. I don't know if I can.
So
It's a 289?
Yeah, it's the original motor.
Yeah, it's the original
This
battery.
right here is one issue with it, and then down there it's rusted out on that battery tray.
They all
But you can
out.
tell this firewall, I mean, it's solid.
Yeah.
I mean, this car really does have potential.
Yeah.
I do know the motor does spin over.
Yeah, I just turned it.
Yeah.
Is this on flat? A little bit.
It's probably got price.
Somebody's name was Lizzie.
Yeah, my daughter got back here with a spray paint can. I didn't know about it.
Lizzie was in the car.
I think these may be original keys from 1966.
Yeah, I got the horse on it. Pony. So what happened to the guy?
The original guy that had it registered in 83 is dead.
Oh, okay. So the guy, somebody else bought it?
There's all the bezels.
Original radio,
Original radio.
panels, and the dash.
Uh-huh. There's the front shocks. Another radio that doesn't go to it.
Yeah.
I don't know where the quarter glass is. There's the hubcaps
Yeah.
for the wheels.
Door panel.
There's one of the bumpers. Here's another carburetor. I don't know if it's any good.
That's a 4-barrel.
But that's a 4-barrel.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it is good if you rebuilt it.
Yeah.
But I mean, everything's here.
But you said it didn't have any door glass.
It does not have the quarter glass. I looked.
It don't have no glass.
I don't know where the door glass and quarter glass is.
Yeah.
Of course, all that stuff you can get.
Yeah.
This is original glass. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is original glass. But
Yeah.
I mean, it's had
Yeah.
this crack for I don't know how long since I've had it.
Then on top.
There it goes. You know, they don't make cars out of metal like this anymore.
Lizzie was on it.
But
Yeah.
you can tell, you know, a year ago we stripped it down.
So it was a complete car when you got it here. It was all together.
We were going to restore it, yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing I didn't have was the door glasses.
Yeah.
Everything else was all here.
Yeah.
And we didn't have the original wheels.
Is the floors rusted out?
Nope.
Well,
I mean, you can tell they're solid.
I can't get down here. Yeah, from what I see.
I mean, there's some rust, but it's not. I've seen way worse.
Flintstone rust.
Yeah. A
Yeah.
lot of it's. I mean, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
I went and looked at a Mustang I was gonna get that ran and drove, but it was so rusted out. I just said no.
Yeah.
I mean, it was rusted out real bad.
Good thing about these, the gas tank is part
Yeah,
of
you
the
lifted
trunk.
it up out of the trunk.
Yeah. Somebody wanted to get out.
That's my German.
Get out of my
You
backyard.
see what they did in my backyard?
Yeah, they destroyed it.
Dude, they tore my backyard up, man. Look at this.
It must not have the drive shaft in it.
No, the drive shaft's right there.
Okay.
We took it out so we could move it.
Yeah.
Look what they did.
They made piles.
Oh, no, I started raking all that stuff
Oh.
up because I'm getting back here. I'm trying to clean all this stuff up today.
Yeah.
They've killed all my grass.
Yeah. So it's got a damn. The 2 barrels are sitting on it with the breather.
Yeah, I didn't do this.
At least put it back on it. Well, trash won't get down in the motor. Can you line it up? Is that the right carburetor? It should
Yeah.
sit down on there.
Well, I mean, normally you put them all without the breather.
Why would they do that? They unbolted the carburetor with the breather. You gotta go this way a little bit. It acts like it ain't the right carburetor. Oh, there it goes. Did it go down? Yeah, it went down. All these whoa screws
There
and
it
stuff.
goes. Yeah, it's down.
All right. Well, let's get them moving then.
I'm gonna close this.
All right.
You got cash?
Yes, sir.
That'll work. That's the original keys, I think.
Okay.
I don't know, but I'm.
So I made it to my side of the town, and so we got this thing all loaded up, and this is gonna be a future Will It Run project. I got something to add to it, so I'm just gonna end this video right here, and when I get what I'm gonna add to it with it, then we'll pick up where we left off here. Or I might just get it running first, and then I'll show you what else I got. But anyway, 66 Mustang. You heard the story. It's been sitting, last tagged in 80, I think he said 87 or something like that. He had got it to restore it for the guy years ago or a year ago or something like that, and the guy passed away. And I Guess he didn't have any next of kin, so he ended up with it, and he wanted it out of his yard, so we picked it up. Car is not too bad. I think I seen a patch panel up under here. Right here on the rear driver, there's a patch panel. The front looks good. I mean, looks real good to me. Dual exhaust, 289. I mean, you can't beat it. We got all the parts except for the door glass and the quarter glass, but I got the grill, I got the seats, I got all the handles. I think he said it was somewhat of a complete car when he got it and he started taking it apart. Is this a 66? I thought 67 had the little vents right here, but by the taillights it looks like a 66 because it's got the small taillights, I believe. Leave in the comments what you think, what year it is. I have to look up the VIN number. Got some brand new look like trailer tires on it, maybe Walmart specials, white spokes. But anyway, like I said, I'm in this video here. I got some other stuff going. We'll just put this on the back burner for now. I got something else coming up, and two things coming up. But this right here, I don't want to jump ahead of other stuff I got. But we will get this one running. I love to see how the 289 runs. At least it's a 289 car, not a straight 6 car. And at least we got all the pieces. I hate that it didn't have any door glass. And got rained in and stuff. But oh well, that's how these restore projects goes. People start on them. They take them somewhere, that person either passes away, they leave it somewhere, and then wherever they left it at, the shop or whatever takes ownership, and then it either gets parted out, scrapped, or for sale. But anyway, like I say, it's not a bad car though. The quarters are good. All the quarters are good on it. The bottom of the fenders are good. It's worth restoring this one. It's just got that rust right up in here where they usually rust out there and where the battery goes. But down here on the frame rails where your core support is, all that is good. I think it was inside for a while and then it got moved outside when he got it. But I mean, there's no rust in the quarters. Dual exhaust. I don't know what rear end it's got. I think the bumpers is inside. I got the original keys to it. So yeah, we'll try and at least get this one put back together a little bit, get it running. Maybe get some primer on it or something. And somebody can just take it and paint it whatever color they want to paint it. So anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. Happy Saturday. I'll holler at y'all later. Just stay tuned to the channel. Stuff is popping up. It's getting hot. And a lot of these projects that was sitting around over the winter time, nobody ain't gonna finish, start being for sale. So holla at y'all later. Like, share, subscribe. As always, please hit that like button. Please hit the like button. I don't care if you don't like it. Hit the like button. I'm just saying it don't have any rear drums on it. Yeah, but hit the like button. And the hype button, if you see the hype button down there where the like button is, hit that. I really want you guys to make sure you're hitting that like button. I mean, leave a small comment. Hey, how you doing? Like the car? Anything. So the algorithm will know that my channel is still up and going and they'll be pushing my videos out. Even if you don't have a subscription to YouTube, still hit the like button anyway. So anyway, that's gonna be it. Check out the second channel, RPM Auto Moto. And y'all have a good weekend and good week and everything. Y'all stay safe. And if you got some projects, don't let it end up like this. Go ahead and get somebody to fix it, or you fix it if you can. And let's not let these things end up in the scrapyard. All right, y'all. Holler at y'all later again. Bye.